Hello all, this is a video on how to install and activate your Autodesk Inventor. Irrespective of the version of software that you are installing, whether it's Autodesk Inventor 2020, 2021, 2022 to 2026, the procedure still remains the same. So follow along with me as I take you through the procedures required. Okay, so the first step is for you to extract the zip file. So you would observe that the downloaded software is a zip file. So to do this, you will need to install a software called WinRAR on your system. So WinRAR enables you to extract zip files. So now to extract your Autodesk Inventor software, so select the software, right click, show more option, then you come to WinRAR, then you can extract here. You would observe that my downloaded software is in a new folder. So I open a new folder on my system and I copied the downloaded software here. So this will enable my extracted software to be in the same space with the zip file. So so again, right click, show more option, WinRAR, extract here. So this will start the extraction process. So this might take some time. So just leave it and allow it to extract. Now, once the extraction is completed, you would observe that we have a crack folder and the setup file, the installation file among the files extracted. So it's not in all cases that you have the crack folder extracted, but whether you have it or not, you need to get a crack file in order to activate the software. But we definitely must have a setup file. So the next step is for you to deactivate your antivirus. So during the process of installation, antivirus affects the installation. So you are going to temporarily, as a next step, you are going to temporarily deactivate your antivirus. So that will be our next step. Another important step that needs to be done is for you to make sure that your computer is not connected to the internet. So make sure that before installing the software, you are not connected to the internet. So connecting to the internet might disrupt the installation. So disconnect your internet, then you deactivate the Windows antivirus. So now for me to deactivate the Windows antivirus, I will go below. I'll go to my search bar. Then I will type Windows Security. So when you type Windows Security, so you see the Windows Security button here. So click on it to open your Windows Security. Then I'm going to deactivate my antivirus. So for me, then here I'll come to virus and threat protection, then manage setting. Then this real-time protection, I'm going to deactivate it. So yes, a notification, I'll click on yes. So once you deactivate real-time protection, automatically it deactivates the next one. So I'll be doing this temporarily while my installation is going on. So once I'm done with the installation, I will come back here to pull this on back. So Windows Security is very good for the system, but while the installation is going on, make sure you deactivate Windows Security temporarily. So I've done that, then I will minimize to continue with my installation. Then as I've said previously, make sure that you are not connected to the internet while the installation is going on. So the next step we need to do is for us to run the setup to start the installation. So to do that, select the setup, right click, run as administrator. Okay, so there will be a pop-up on your screen. Just click on run. So there's an agreement form that pops up. So agree to the form, then click on next. Then so it will tell you where it's going to be installing the software. Okay, all right. So just leave it at the default location. Then click on next, install. So the installation process has begun. So this will take some time. So just give it some time to load fully. So at this point, you can see that the installation Autodesk Inventor Professional 2022 is completed. So you can click on the start button to launch the software.